Hi everyone, it's Dean Aronovich here, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm the man behind GTA Commercial Brokers. For over a decade, I've been the powerhouse behind GTA, turning bold visions into real estate success across Toronto. In this video, we'll explore how tariffs might affect industrial real estate in the Greater Toronto Area or the GTA. Industrial real estate is the unsung hero of the commercial real estate market. It's the backbone of various sectors, enabling storage, manufacturing, and distribution. Think of it as the ultimate multitasker. Now let's dive into the intricate relationship between international trade and industrial real estate, with a special focus on tariffs. Tariffs, as you might know, are taxes imposed on imported goods. Yes, the dreaded T word. And they can significantly impact the dynamics of industrial real estate. Our goal is to understand the potential implications and prepare for any shifts in the market. Buckle up, it's going to be an insightful ride. So, what exactly are tariffs? Are they just fancy taxes with a passport? Tariffs are essentially taxes that governments impose on imported goods. Think of them as tolls for crossing international waters. They serve a dual purpose, protecting domestic industries from foreign competition and exerting geopolitical pressure. It's like a two-for-one deal, but with more paperwork. For instance, the United States might impose tariffs on Canadian goods. Because why not add a little spice to international relations? Such a move could have far-reaching consequences for the GTA's industrial real estate market. Picture a game of Monopoly, but with real warehouses. By making imported goods more expensive, tariffs can alter trade patterns and economic decisions, potentially reshaping the demand and supply of industrial spaces. It's like a giant economic jigsaw puzzle, and tariffs are the pieces that don't quite fit. Let's know more about its potential impacts on the GTA's industrial real estate market. First up, let's chat about the demand for space. Spoiler alert, it's complicated. Tariffs can nudge companies to relocate their operations closer to their target markets to dodge those pesky import duties. This could lead to a drop in demand for industrial space in countries hit with tariffs. Ouch! On the flip side, regions that offer a strategic edge for tariff evasion or access to new markets might see a boom in demand. Jackpot! When it comes to rents and vacancy rates, this can really shake things up. A slump in demand due to tariffs could lead to higher vacancy rates in some areas, not great for landlords. Conversely, areas that become hot spots for businesses dodging tariffs might see higher rental rates and lower vacancy rates. Cha-ching! Now, let's talk about key industries. The automotive sector is a big player in the GTA's industrial demand. Tariffs could push automotive companies to move their production facilities to the United States to avoid extra costs and delays. Road trip, anyone? The GTA's prime location near the U.S. border is a big deal for customs and distribution facilities. Changes in trade volumes and patterns caused by tariffs could make these facilities even more crucial for businesses. Time to shine. Tariffs can play a game of musical chairs with investment strategies in industrial real estate. When regions face high tariff barriers, investors might decide it's time to dance away from these areas. Contrary, regions that benefit from tariff-induced relocations or supply chain shifts could see a notable increase in investment, like winning a game of economic bingo. Rubik's Cube blindfolded. To wrap things up, tariffs can throw a wrench or a golden opportunity into the gears of industrial real estate in the GTA. It's vital for stakeholders to grasp these impacts, lest they find themselves in a pickle. So keep your eyes peeled and be ready to roll with the punches that tariffs might throw your way. As always, do your research, analyze the pros and cons, and don't be afraid to ask questions. So there you have it. If you found this video helpful, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. It helps me reach more people and keeps the content flowing. Comment down below what other topics you want to get to know more of. For a seamless deep dive, contact me and my team today. We're always on the move to success. Thanks for tuning in. Until next week, happy investing!